Assalamu alaikum. Today it's show among genders. Please subscribe to our channel, like our video, also share our videos. How do we say Khadija is in the kitchen? The Arabic word for kitchen is al-matbakhu. Again, al-matbakhu. Say that yourself. Al-matbakhu. Good. Then you say Khadijatu fil matbakhi, meaning Khadija in the kitchen. Khadijatu fil matbakhi. Again, Khadijatu fil matbakhi. Good. When to say Aishatu in the toilet? The Arabic word for toilet is al-mirhad. Again, al-mirhad. Say it once again. Al-mirhad. Okay. In Arabic, to say Aisha in the toilet, you say Aishatu fil mirhad. Say it again. Aishatu fil mirhad. Again, Aishatu fil mirhad. Meaning, Aisha is in the toilet. When you want to say Amina is in the restaurant, the Arabic word for restaurant is al-mat'ami. Again, al-mat'ami. Again, al-mat'amu. Good. So to say Amina in the restaurant in Arabic, you say Aminatu fil mat'ami. Again, Aminatu fil mat'ami. Say it yourself. Aminatu fil mat'ami. Good. When you are aimed to say Khalid is in the playing ground or Khalid is in the field, or you want to say Khalid is in the stadium, the Arabic word for stadium, field, or playing ground is al-mal'abi. Again, al-mal'abu. Say it once again. Al-mal'abu. Okay, when you want to tell us Khalid is in the stadium, in Arabic, you say Khalidun fil mal'abi. Again, Khalidun fil mal'abi. Again, Khalidun fil mal'abi. Khalidun fil mal'abi. Good. And when you want to say Muhammad is in the class in Arabic, the Arabic word for class is al-faslu. Again, al-faslu. Say it again. Al-faslu. To say Muhammad is in the class, you say Muhammadun fil fasli. Again, Muhammadun fil fasli. Muhammadun fil fasli. Good. Meaning, Muhammad is in the class. And if you want to say Hamid is in the airport, why you know the Arabic word for airport is al-matar. Say it once again. Al-matar. Again, al-matar. Good. So the expression for that is Hamidun fil matar. Say it again. Hamidun fil matar. Again, Hamidun fil matar. Good. It's good we take a pause and look at the difference between the male names and the female names. You will definitely notice that male names come with tenwin, I mean with domateni, this sign. on them. At the end of every male name, there is a Dommateni, like this, in Hamidun, or this in Muhammadun, and this in Khalidun. You can notice there is Dommateni on all of them. But here, at the end of the female names, we don't have that. We only have the Dhamma sign. This is Dhamma, Dhamma, and Dhamma. We pronounce this as Hamidun with Tenwin. We have the nasal sound. With Tenwin, with the nasal sound. Muhammadun, the nasal sound is pronounced. Hamidun, also the nasal sound is there. But here in the female names, we say ha, we say Aminatu without the nasal sound. Here also we say Aishatu without the nasal sound. Also Khadijatu without the nasal sound. Take a good note of this. This is how the Arab pronounce their names, and this is the difference in the names. Please subscribe to our channel, like our video, also share our videos. May God bless you.